Hardwood floors creaking because of temperature changes inside your house is super common, but there are solid ways to keep your floors happy and quiet by managing your indoor climate. So, first off, try to keep your home's temperature and humidity steady, like around 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 to 60% humidity. You can grab a humidifier or dehumidifier to help with that, especially if you live somewhere with wild weather swings. When it gets cold outside, don't crank your heater up too high too fast. Slow changes help wood adjust without making those annoying creaks. Also, make sure your floors have enough space to expand and contract, because wood naturally does that with temperature shifts. If you notice gaps or squeaks, a little bit of wood floor lubricant or wax can help smooth things out without a big fuss. Keep an eye on vents and airflow too. Sometimes direct blasts of hot or cold air mess with your wood more than you think. And if you're remodeling or installing new floors, ask for wood that's been properly dried and acclimated to your area's climate. That makes a huge difference. Lastly, regular cleaning and avoiding excess water on hardwood keeps the wood from swelling or shrinking unexpectedly. One of the biggest mistakes people make with hardwood floors creaking from temperature fluctuations is ignoring humidity control. If the air is too dry or too wet, wood reacts badly, so fixing that with a humidifier or dehumidifier is key. Another common issue is rushing temperature changes inside the house, like blasting the heat or air conditioning, which stresses the wood. The fix is to keep indoor temps steady and avoid sudden spikes or drops. Lastly, not leaving enough room for wood expansion during installation causes boards to rub and creak when they swell or shrink. Making sure there's proper spacing and using flexible moldings can stop that problem before it starts. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making it easier to get your hardwood floor issues sorted right. Plus, it helps contractors find real work from people who need reliable pros without all the hassle.